of model exams number 1 from Bوني book. Question number 1, choose the correct answer. Number 1, 1.75 divided by 0.5 equal space. We can find the result here by cancel the point in denominator. Because the divisor here decimal number, we must convert from decimal number to whole numbers by product by 10, because the point here after one place. Look at with me about steps here. Question number 1, 1.75 divided by 0.5. Its meaning 1.75 over 0.5, we must product by 10, numerator and denominator. Then the result will be 175 over 5. And then 17 divided by 5 equal 3 and remainder 2, because 3 times 5 equal 15 and remainder 2. 25 divided by 5 equal 5. Then the result will be here 35. Choose 35, okay? The result will be 35 about question number 1. Question number 2, reciprocal of 7, it will be 1 over 7. Reciprocal of this number will be 1 over 7. Write the inverse about this fraction, multiplicative inverse, okay? Question number 3, all the following points lies on a y-axis except what? Any point lies in y-axis if the first coordinate here will be 0. 0 in any numbers here, okay? So he won't find all the following lies on y-axis except what? Except what? What is the point which the second projection equal 0 here? We have second projection, it will be what? Any numbers here, first projection will be 1 and 4. We must choose 1 and 4. Okay, this point 1 and 4. 1 and 4 doesn't lie on y-axis. Or if we have any point, the second projection equals 0, such as 2 and 0, 4 and 0, any number and 0, its point lies in x-axis. Okay, so in this example, he won't find the point lies in y-axis, or the point lies in y-axis except what? Except 1 and 4. Because the point 1 and 4 lies in the first quadrant, okay? Choose 1 and 4. Understood? Choose 1 and 4, because 1 and 4 lies in the first quadrant. But 0 and 1, 0, negative 7, 0 and 5, all these points lies on the y-axis. Question number 4. Look at with me about question number 4 here. The side length of the rhombus 8 cm and its height 3 cm, then the area will be what? Look at here, the area equal base product by corresponding height. All sides are equal lengths in rhombus, and the area of rhombus equal base times corresponding height. The base here, it means the side. The side length goes 8 cm and corresponding height goes 3 cm. 3 times 8 equal 24 square centimeter. The area of rhombus. Next question. Question number 5. The area of the opposite triangle. We have obtuse triangle. We have base 14 cm and its corresponding height 10 cm. Then the area will be equal half product by base product by corresponding height, half product by 14 product by 10. Half of 14 to be 7. 7 times 10 equal 7 times 10 equals 70 square centimeter. It's the area of triangle, half times the base times height. Question number 6. All the following are equivalent 80% except what? We know 80%, meaning 80 over 100 equal 8 over 10 equals 0.8. Then all the following are true except what? Except we have 8 over 100. 8 over 100, not equivalent 80%, okay? Not equivalent. Then we must choose 8 over 100. You won't find all the following equivalent 80% except what? Except 8 over 100. You must choose 8 over 100. The last solution here, choose this, okay? Next question number 7. He won't convert from kilogram 1.2 kilogram, convert by using conversion factor to 1200 gram. To convert from kilogram to gram, you must cancel this unit kilogram, write kilogram in denominator, and you know we must know 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. Okay, we must write 1000 gram over 1 kilogram because we must cancel kilogram. You must write kilogram in denominator, and we must write gram up because the new units will be gram. And 1.2 product by 1000, we must point the point, move the point right hand side by 3 places, then the result will be 1200. Okay, the result will be 1200. So we must choose 1000 gram over 1 kilogram. Choose the first solution here. We must choose the first solution here. Okay, 1000 gram over 1 kilogram, we call that conversion factor. You must know the conversion factor comparing between two equality units by using different units. Okay, equality quantities, 1000 gram equivalent 1 kilogram by using different units. We have 1000 gram equivalent 1 kilogram, but we use the here gram in numerator and the kilogram in denominator. You must know 1 kilogram equivalent 1000 gram. Okay, next question. Complete 9 divided by third equal what? We must convert from division to multiplication, not reciprocal about second fraction here. We have 9 divided by third. We must write 9, and reciprocal about third, it will be 3. 3 times 7 equal 3 times 9 equal 27. Okay, convert from division to multiplication and convert from this fraction third, it will be 3 over 1. It's meaning 3. 3 times 9 equal 27. Question number 2, 97 percentage. We must convert as a decimal. It's meaning 97 over 100. It's meaning the point will be after 2 places. Okay, then the result will be 97 hundredths. 97 hundredths. You won't write this number as a decimal. We know a decimal number in number less than 1. Okay, in number less than, or comparing between or lying between 0 and 1. Decimal number, meaning number lies between 0 and 1, such as that what 97 hundredths. We call this the decimal number. Why we put this here? Because 97 hundredths, it's meaning 97 over 100, and you must put the point after 2 places. Then the result here will be 97 hundredths. Question number 3, surface area of cube, side length is, it will be 6 power 2. We want to find surface area of cube. Surface area, it will be total area of cube. We know the cube has 6 faces, equality in the area, then the surface area will be 6 product by s power 2 is here reduced to side length. The side length of cube was s, and the area of each face, it will be s power 2. Then the area, total area, 6 s power 2. But if you want to find the lateral area of cube, you must write 4 s power 2. We have the difference between total area and lateral area. Lateral area, it's meaning 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 faces. Cancel the base and the lid. Okay, but in this example, he won't find the total area. Surface area here, it's meaning total area. So the result will be 6 s power 2. Okay, question number 4 here. If the dimensions of cuboid are 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 4 centimeters, it is the volume. The volume equal length product by weights by corresponding height. We have 8 times 5 times 4. 4 times 5 equal 20. 8 product by 20, right, 0, and 8 times 2 equals 16. The result will be 160 cubic centimeter. Okay, it's the volume of cuboid, length times width times height. Question number 5. If a fruit seller has 45 kilogram of apples and 50 kilogram of oranges, the ratio between the weight of apples to orange in the simplest form. Okay, we can find the ratio between the total amount of apples to oranges. Here refers to amount of apples and or refers to amount of oranges. We have 45 kilogram the weight of apples, 45 kilogram. Okay, 45 kilogram of apples and 50 kilogram of oranges. We can simplify it by divided by 5 because 5 had common factor between two numbers. 45 divided by 5 equal 9 and 50 divided by 5 equal 10. Then the ratio in the simplest form, it will be 9 to 10. Question number 6 Nada put tools for 400 Egyptian lira by adding 10% taxes. The total she paid equal what? Okay, first step, we must find the taxes. Okay, we can find the taxes. 10%, it's meaning 10 over 100 from the total amount here. Total cost was 400. Okay, first step, we must find the taxes. Okay, do you know the taxes? It's the money we'll put to the cells here to give the in one to find the bit. Okay, 10% of 400, you must cancel double zero by double zero. In the taxes, it will be 40%, 40 Egyptian lira. Okay, again, first step, we can find the taxes. 10% it's a taxes from the total. Not the put tools 400 Egyptian lira. Then the put was 400. Then the taxes, it will be 10% from the price. Then we can find the total money she will pay by, right, 400 plus 40 Egyptian lira. 40 here versus the taxes. Okay, taxes was 40 Egyptian lira. Then the total cost will be 40 plus 400. It will be 440 Egyptian lira. Then the total she paid is 440 Egyptian lira. Okay, 440 Egyptian lira. It's the total cost. Question number 7. If the two sides of right angle triangle is to right angle triangle. Okay, we have right angle triangle here. We have the two sides of the right angle triangle are 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. We have 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. You can find the area. The area equal half product by base product by corresponding height. Right, half times 4 product by 3. Half times 4 equal 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then the result will be 6 square centimeter. It's the area of right angle triangle. Half times base times height. He gives us the two sides of right angle triangle are 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Then the area will be half times 4 times 3 equals 6 square centimeter. Question 8. After folding the corresponding shape, our 3 dimensions shapes is formed, which is a squared pyramid. We have here prism. Okay, we have prism here. Triangular prism. Okay, we have triangular prism. We have triangular prism because we have two bases are congruent. There are triangles, and we have 3 rectangles. Then we have triangular prism. Triangular prism. Next question, third, choose the correct answer. 48 divided by 36 is the simplest form. Okay, we can find the ratio between two numbers by divided numerator and numerator by head common factor is 12. 48 divided by 12 equal 4, because 4 times 12 equal 48, and 36 divided by 12 equal 3. Then the ratio in the simplest form, it will be 4 over 3. Question number 2. The area of rhombus with side length 8 centimeter and its height was 5 centimeter. We can find the area of rhombus equal base times corresponding height. Base times corresponding height. Okay, the base here was 8. Product by corresponding height was 5. 5 times 8 equal 40 square centimeter. Okay. Question number 3. -4 and 3 lies the x coordinate here. Okay, he wants to find the x coordinate. The x coordinate here was -4 because any point contains of x and y. X coordinate will be -4 and y coordinate equal 3. Then the x coordinate will be -4. Question number 4. if 10% of 300 is 30, then 60% of 300 equal what? 60%, it's meaning 60 over 100 from the total number 300. We must cancel double zero by double zero, and 3 times 60 equal 180. Okay, the result will be 180. Question number 5. The image of the point 2 and 2 by reflection across y-axis. Okay, we have 2 and 2. We want to find reflection at y-axis. We must put y here and change the sign of x. Then the order will be negative x and y, right? Negative 2 and 2. Okay, the image of the point reflection of y-axis, we must put y and change the sign of x, then the result will be negative 2 and 2. Reciprocal of 4, it will be 1 over 4. Question number 6, write 1 over 4. Question number 7, we have 3 over 15 divided by 6 over 5. We can sample this 3 over 15 by divided by 3 numerator and denominator. 3 divided by 3 equal 1, 15 divided by 3 equal 5. And then convert from division to multiplication. Write reciprocal about 6 over 5, it will be 5 over 6. 5 divided by 5 equal 1, 5 divided by 5 equal 1, 1 times 1 equal 1, 1 times 6 equals 6. Then the result will be 1 over 6. Fourth, the surface area of the opposite cuboid, it will be what? We want to find the surface area of cuboid. We must know the rule of cuboid area equal to product by length, product by width, plus length product by height, plus width product by height. We know the 3 dimensions. Here length was 5 and width was 4, and length was 5 and the height was 10, and width was 4 and the height was 10. Write 2 product by 5 times 4 equal 20, 5 times 10 equal 50, 4 times 10 equal 40. Then the total area, we can write 2 product by sum 20 plus 50, 70, 70 plus 40 equal 110. Product by 2, it will be 220 square centimeter. Okay, and the result will be 220. Question number 2. Manar bought 4.5 meters of clothes of the price of each meter 20.5 Egyptian lira. Find the price of clothes. Okay, she bought 4.5 meters of clothes. The price of each meter, the price of each 1 meter equal 20.5 lira. Then the total cost, we can find product between the price of each one, product the number of meters. We have 4.5 meters. Okay, we can write 205 product by 45. Okay, first step, find the times between two numbers, and then the point after two places here, because 10 times 10 equal 100. 5 times 5 equal 25, and 2 times 5 equal 10, plus 100, 0. 4 times 5 equal 20, and 4 times 2 equal 8. Then the result will be 9, 2, 2 and 5. Put the point after two places. Then the result will be 92 and 25 hundredths Egyptian lira. Okay, 92 and 4ths Egyptian lira. Question number 3. The following shows the phrase of computer before discount. Discount was 15%. Okay, we can find the discount. We have 15 over 100 product the total money 12,000. Cancel double zero by double zero and write 0 here. 12 times 15 equal 180. Then discount will be 1,800, and the total was 12,000. After discount, we can write 12,000 subtract by discount. We can write after discount, the money will be what? 12,000 subtract by 1,800. Write double zero, and 10 minus 8 equal 2. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Write 1. Result will be 10,200 Egyptian lira. Okay, the amount after discount. Question number 4. The point 3 and 3 represent one vertex of is triangle. If the side length of square is 3 centimeter, draw square and write the coordinate of the other vertices. Okay, we have 1 point here, 3 and 3, and they give us this information. We have a square. We know the square, all sides are equal lengths. The first point we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First point was 3 and 3. Okay, 3 and 3 here. It's point A. Point B, count 3, going 6. It will be 3 and 6. And point C, count 3. It will be count 3 here. 1, 2, 3. It will be here. Point D and point C here. A, B, C, D. We have square. The dimensions will be 0 and 3. Count with me from 3 to 0. Then the order will be 0 and 3, and here 0 and 6. Okay, we have the order of point B. It will be 3 and 6, and the order of point C was 0 and 6, and the order of point D it will be 0 and 3.